You can get instant relief from tooth pain with this simple home remedy that actually works. Did you know that around 80% of people will experience tooth pain at some point in their lives? Crazy, right? Or maybe you've been there, waking up in the middle of the night with that awful throbbing toothache. It feels like nothing can help. Today, we're diving into how to stop tooth pain fast at home. Trust me, you don't have to rush to the dentist every time you feel discomfort. There are some quick and effective solutions you can try right in your own home. So let's talk about what causes that pesky tooth pain. It could be anything from cavities and gum disease to tooth sensitivity. Whatever it is, tooth pain can really throw a wrench in your day-to-day life, making it hard to concentrate at work, enjoy your favorite foods, or even get a good night's sleep. I mean, who wants to be dealing with a toothache when you could be chilling out instead? Plus, tooth pain can arise suddenly, making it all the more frustrating. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this together. Now, let's get into some home remedies that can help ease that discomfort. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth, like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.